Summer is on its way. Are you ready to plan a vacation? Where will you go? Choose your vacation. In Italian. There are a lot of different choices. Do you want to see the sun and the sea? Then, you choose the beach. To go to the sea, in Italian is
andare al mare.
The beach and the sand, in Italian are
La spiaggia, la sabbia.
On the other hand, if you like fresh air and hiking, then you choose the mountains. The mountains, in Italian are
La montagna, le montagne.
Are you the relaxed type, and you love a view of a serene landscape? What could be better than a trip to the countryside? In Italian, going to the countryside is
andare in campagna.
Another great option is to go to a lake, which in Italian is
andare al lago.
If you're not the type that ever sits still, and you love art and the city, and you love to see people and experience new places, then the right vacation for you is to go to one of the capitals, or to a city famous for its art. To visit capitals in Italian is
Visitare le capitali.
Visiting a city famous for its art in Italian is
Visitare le città d'arte.
In Italy, you can find many cities which are famous for art. You just need to choose which one to visit. What type of person are you? Do you like to stay in a hotel? In Italy, there are the hotels that in Italian are
L'hotel, gli hotel.
You can also say
L'albergo, gli alberghi.
You can also find
La pensione, le pensioni.
These are, usually, hotels run by a family. On the other hand, if you prefer to take care of yourself, and you like the idea of more freedom, then a campground is just the place for you. The campground in Italian is
Il campeggio, i campeggi.
You can rent a mobile home, and in the spoken language, it is used the English word, referring to a little house in the campground. Anyway, it can also be in Italian.
La roulotte, le roulotte.
This is a French origin noun. You can also rent or have an RV that in Italian is
Il camper, i camper.
Or even choose the convenience of a tent. This in Italian is
La tenda, le tende.
Now you're ready for your vacation. Enjoy, my friends. Video tutorial is over. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon. Ciao!
Il video tutorial è terminato. Iscrivetevi al canale e ci vediamo presto. Ciao!